And now I am in the presentation of it. Okay, let me take a look. Uh, okay, my I don't know. I just see my in my monitor. Okay, I will explain the presentation now. Okay, let me check. The, okay, in the presentation, I will presentation about operating system and hardware, operating system software and software, also hardware. Okay, this is the uh, what I say. I just pick same um, sub. I just type in my presentation is operation system and software, also hardware. Okay, let me next to the next chapter. Okay, I will explain what is operation system. Operation system. So, if you guys know what is operation system is, okay, let me check next. Okay, as you can see, guys, operation system is the most important software running on a computer. Why is important? Because the one important task of an operation system is to perform process management and of so, so software in operation system will manage a memory and process of communication between hardware and software. So operation system is use schedule algorithm to to organize and allocate computer resource from running process. Okay, so the explanation is this is without this operation system the computer will not running any process management or resource. Okay, the next, why ah, sorry. Okay, why with this operation system the computer will not working? Okay, operation system is without an operation system the computer will not work properly. So the operation system can only work after the user gives instruction to run. After the operation system is running, the user give introduction through the interface provider. Operation systems are also found in smartphone. The operation system has a various specific function. These include the process to turning on the computer or commonly called booting in editing. Why is called booting? Because after the operation system process the instruction and perform a request from a request action, the computer display change in if the user issue a command to open an application. Okay, that's and also the system also function to organize application to be placed in the space available in device. Okay, let me next first. Okay, and now I will explain about operating system in history of operating system. First, operating system has been a crucial element since the first computer was development. Where the first computer classic operating system is from First Fritz Hansen in 2020. This from First Fritz Hansen in 2020. Now, and I want to explain about the operation system history. So the first era is in 1945 until 1955. In this era, computer with use a single system operation and had no operation system at all. The operation as mentioned done through physical setting and direct programming at the hardware level. So what I explained about this, in first era operation system is not like now, is still stand in the room and we come to that room to use that system. Okay, and the second is a batch system. In batch system in is start in 195 195 55 until 11965. Okay, in this era user a batch system is computer become a popular. So this era is the first time the computer is popular. Yeah, the first computer is like a box, a cube is so big, you know. The system also used to send attacks in group and run them automatically. So the explain in this era, system in this era is automatical send attacks to a company or a person in group and run the operation system or the system is automatically. Okay, let me next. Okay, in third is time sharing system is start in 1965 until 1917. Okay, this era is the first time the computer use terminal, like you use one computer and send virus into another. Okay, well, I will explain a little about this era. So in this era is marked by emergence time sharing. What is time sharing? Is a sharing in us is sharing the operation system in the same time and is allow to use user multiple interact, so you can use another system in this operation system. Okay, and this is will process and create alternated for the same amount of time. Okay, let me next into the fourth. The fourth is microprocess based operation system. Okay, in start in 1980, 1918, 80, I can say. So this is the first time Microsoft is held in public. With the advent of microprocessor, computer become more user friendly. So this system in this era is friendly to user and computer. And this is a first time for operating system as MS-DOS or Microsoft this operation system and Apple this operation system begin to appear. Yeah. So this era is a first time Microsoft and Apple first time come to public. Okay, I will next in five is graphic operating system. In graphic operating system, in this okay, in graphic operating system, this era is really have a good graphic is good layer in than the first release. The version in this graphical operation system is a Windows and Apple Macintosh OS atau operation system is released with a version like now, and in this era we just not use a keypad, we use icon windows and also mouse, like you can see in my, maybe you can see, but you all maybe know about a mouse I thought and interface using icon. Okay, I will next into six and 6. Okay. This is the last. Okay. In this is now. This is a operation system in modern. Is start in 2020 2000 to present, like 2000 until now. Okay, this is really modern about this, yeah. Like we use now in like Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10 is new, and the new version is Windows 11. Also, Mac OS and Linux are some example that is example from modern operation system yang we use today until now. So, addiction in this development system has occurred the field mobile on tablet device with emergence of Android and iOS. Wait, I will continue to explain this. Okay. Okay. I will explain a function operation system. Okay, let me check. Okay. Okay. The first the the first in function operation system is a running program. So what is the running program? The running program is operation system function to load and execute the and run the program like so that we can say if you click a program in your computer, they will execute. First, it will load, see data in the program and execute the program. um, sorry, sorry. It will execute and run a program from the system, the reading system from operation system. Okay. The second is keeping data secure from a cyber attack. Why this a good operation system has a future, right? So the operating system must have a filter to keep data and program safe, like a file manager or a firewall. A firewall will protect your operation system in from the website you tag in. Okay. The third is setting up this or storage media. Why we must setting up storage media? Okay, we have many data, right, in the computer or a laptop or MacBook or Android or something like that. So why this include to manage all driver system setting in your computer, such a hard driver or a flash disk, optical disk driver, flash drive or optical disk driver to manage all your data in your drive. Okay, let me next. The four is manage running process. Okay, in this operation system will designed to allocate resource. So manage a various computer system like data computer, protecting computer process, and also synchronization in computer access. Five is controlling the device. The operation in this controlling device is operation system will open or block access to device such as ID, such as CD, DVD, and USB. If the device is detected to have a problem like a virus, hacking, the operation system will block all that from your computer. if the system in your computer is safe until the virus or anonym hacker is go away from your computer data. In 6 is controlling printing process. So controlling printing process, yeah, it's just like you want to print data from your computer like workbook or not notebook or something your touch in your keypad. It will you can use the printing to execute your data. Well, yeah, with a connect computer printer. Okay, 7 is define the interface or user interface UI. The user interface is a part is really important part in the operation system that allow user to input. Then it also includes menu like a menu, windows, or methoding interaction between user and user use. Okay, I will explain too about the most popular operating system. First is Microsoft Windows, second is Apple Mac OS, third is Android like we using now, four Apple iOS, and five is Linux. I will explain one by one, okay? So far, okay. First is Windows. Windows is really popular. Like I say, we first time see in 1918. Okay, and they had then had several version update like Windows Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 10 with point like Windows 10.3, Windows 10.5, or Windows 10.4, and also each update Microsoft Windows is continue to strive improvement user interface. So without this Windows operating system, we can use the computer or laptop like today. Second is Apple Macs. Apple Macs is Microsoft operating system competitor. With oh yeah, sorry. Is US are example of priority operation system. Mac OS is product are also known by the user to their is to use they continue to improve their user experience. So in Apple Mac OS is use Mac OS is used like a tablet or pen tab we used to draw. Okay, let me next to third. In that we have Android. So in this Android iOS is the primary iOS from Google mobile device, the first such a smartphone or tablet. Android has gained really many time, huh? Google device is smartphone user. Now Android operating system is increasing now at improve. Apple iOS is same like Android is a mobile operating system, but the yes we know is iPhone is software with a new offer and new feature to user. Okay, let me next into the last in operating system is Linux. Linux is operating system different from the Windows and Apple because it is not proprietary software. This means that operation system it is open source. It can be used to create various type like Lin type Linux like Ubuntu, Debian, Red Hat, Slackware is a software system from Linux. Okay, that's all from operation system. I will next in the hardware explanation. Okay, let me next first. Okay, what is hardware? Okay, hardware is the part important part in computer and laptop. Hardware is a fair we can use it online or offline in the electronic gadget. This hardware is current technology. Hardware is continue to develop the be more multiple purpose. The short definition about hardware is a physical component for for a computer that can be seen and held. A physical is the physical element. The computer is like a monitor, keyboard, mouse, microchip, hard drive, motherboard, and various other components like casing, RAM, ROM, and fan is a part of hardware system. And hardware system will is internal component for operation system program. Okay, let me next. While in why is this hardware is really important because external component of commonly called peripheral device. This device is installed in the computer will improve in functional of the computer. External hardware component are item are often connect internal to the computer, turn control input and output function. This internal hardware is designed to provide instruction. Like you can say, it's really helping us to get a system is running. With mouse, we can choose a system. With a keypad, we can write the something in the head, and monitor we will help to see about that data. Okay, hardware is really many referred physical component, but the primary function is from hardware is the part we can read a software system operation. Okay, let me next to the next part. Okay, hardware is only have four function. Normally, first receiving output like we is really ordinary function. Why receive output? Because in this case, hardware is a special function to receive input made in by owner the computer or laptop. It's like we step step no step. We use the mouse. We can plug in the computer or hardware, and then you can use our mouse like this. And now processing information over. Why hardware can processing information? Because with hardware system we can use a data, we can search a data, click a data, and see a data so bright, so clear with help the what the receive hardware computer system. The three is providing output is really provide from output like this. I use a cable mouse. Is we have no plug in USB in the computer or laptop. This will be not read. Okay, the fourth is storing data and information. Also, we use hard disk. This why we use hard disk or SSD or RAM or something like that, because this system will help us to manage a data. Okay, let me next. So I will explain hardware example. First is microphone. This microphone is really take a voice, so we can use microphone to take our voice and send it to the computer. Like I use this. I use a earphone in speaker in this bottom you can see maybe here you can see I can use it to send my voice in the computer. And second is a keypad. With keypad I can click something, like I click in this hardware example. Without a keypad I can use the computer or laptop. The third is hard disk is hard disk or something. Hard disk I can say hard disk is have two type is hard disk like you see, and SSD storage system data. So this function will use I can give example is like this. This is hard drive, right? Yes, this is hard drive, and we use this to manage the data from the computer and save it safely. And the last is a camera, like I can use now. This camera is really used to record our face, and also camera is can record our voice but with extra plug in. Okay, I will explain from where I get the material like this. Explanation like this, I got it from what I can see, Kumpara.com and Data.com. Okay, that's all from my explanation. Thank you so much, and see you in the last part. Okay, that's all from my explanation in operation system, operation system and software, also hardware. So, what do you guys think? Maybe it's really complicated, but I try to make it so easily for you all understand. Okay, thank you so much for your attention, and from this I hope you all subscribe and comment my channel. Also don't forget to give a like. Okay, I'm